Hello folks, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. The previous video covered customer satisfaction and feedback from relevant interested parties as inputs to the management review process. If you missed it, check the link below. If you're new here, please subscribe so you're the first to see what's next. Stick with me because, in the end, I will show a link to the context matrix that will help you improve establishing objectives. Today, we're moving on to trends in quality objectives. Let me tell you a couple of stories. Once, a client proudly reported saving $20,000 by switching to a new supplier. But the same supplier delivered just 2 shipments. Both were rejected, delaying production. The moral: back up your success stories with the whole picture, not just the shiny part. A trend chart showed a sharp drop in assembly line non-conformities in another case. Curious, I asked the production lead what changed. He said, "Management bugged the hell out of us, so we just stopped reporting. We fix most of the issues online now." The moral: if people are pressured to report improvement, they'll find a way, whether accurate or not. Many companies set objectives that feel random. However, there is a logical way to develop meaningful measurements and targets that align with your strategic goals. When we discussed elements 4.1 and 4.2, we introduced the context matrix, a tool to capture organizational issues and the needs of interested parties. If you missed those clips, check the links below. You can also download the matrix for free from our website. The matrix follows this flow. Identify issues and interested parties with their needs. Conduct a SWOT analysis to pinpoint weaknesses and threats. Use FMEA to assess and mitigate risks. Prioritize risks based on the final RPN. Define measurements related to the top risks. Let's walk through an example. Customer satisfaction often scores one of the highest RPNs. But we can't meaningfully measure satisfaction directly, so we break it down. In our matrix, customer needs included on-time delivery, no out-of-box failures, and minimal phone wait times. Let's focus on shipping. Shipping can't work if the packaging doesn't provide a finished product. Packaging can't function if the final inspection isn't done, etc. So, if on-time delivery is low, we must find the bottleneck by setting KPIs for the supporting processes. Often, companies collect data to say they did. Here is this trend. Here is that trend. In the previous video, we discussed NPS as a customer satisfaction metric. Scores like 30, 55, or 78 don't mean much. The moral: dump any data that doesn't lead to action. Let's wrap up with a few key tips. Use the context matrix to identify critical processes to measure. Set clear targets for your strategic objectives. Identify and monitor supporting process KPIs that impact your goals. Don't waste time massaging meaningless numbers. As always, check out the free resources on our website. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need help with your management system. Please support our project by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Thanks for watching, and until next time.